What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this video. This is going to be a very short video, but it's a celebration at the same time. So if you don't know, I am Two Socks. I am the videographer of the Stomp and Shake cheer page, and I'm also the videographer for my own personal channel, which is called Two Socks. And today I wanted to share with you guys that I actually received my plaque from YouTube. This is a plaque for hitting 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I started in January of 2016, and I received the 100,000 subscriber mark on March the 15th, 2020. So it took about 4 years to get to this point, and I'm so excited. Now I think the channel's at like 107,000 subscribers. So it jumped like 7,000 subscribers in a month, which is crazy. I'll go ahead and open this up and show you what this silver play button looks like. Here we go. Oh yeah, and it says the box is 3 pounds. It's pretty heavy. All right, so nothing here. You have like little foam kind of covering up here. This is pretty cool. I'll put this down. And then we have a letter from YouTube. It's on some nice paper here. It's pretty much saying that you've done something awesome that very few YouTube creators accomplish, and you have an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. So, and then it goes on about pretty much having 100,000 subscribers. So this is good. I'm going to frame this as well. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So thank you so much, Rick. All right, cool. This is cool, man. For the grand finale, y'all. Here we go. Dang, that's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy, yo. So here we go. Here's the silver play button. This is my first time seeing it. So it says presented to Two Socks for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Man, I don't even want to take this out the plastic. Hold on, y'all. That's crazy. So this is it right here. I'm trying to keep all of this. There are no fingerprints on the glass part, on the mirror part. Here we go. Hitting 100,000 subscribers. So, and then the back, just like a little frame kind of thing where if you want to hang it on the wall or something. But I'm about to put this in a glass case. But yep, so this is what it looks like unboxing the 100,000 subscriber award, which is the silver play button. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel and for subscribing to the other channel. I really appreciate all the support since 2016. I plan to continue to teach people about how to have success on YouTube, some of the strategies that you can implement, and some of the ways that you need to think as far as becoming a successful YouTuber. And so if you haven't subscribed to this channel or my other channel, please do so. I'll have both channels linked at the bottom here so you can subscribe to both. And thank you so much for everything. Literally, thank you so much.